In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no impressions in Google Ads. This is your go-to guide for troubleshooting and resolving those pesky issues that keep your ads from being seen. By the end of this session, you'll have the essential tools to get your Google Ads campaign back on track. To begin, head over to the Google Ads website. This is where everything starts, as you'll need to access your dashboard to make the necessary adjustments. Once on the homepage, take a moment to soak in the layout. It's designed to be intuitive, but a little navigation practice never hurts. Next, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. If you haven't already done this, signing in will give you access to your personal dashboard where all your campaigns are listed. Make sure you have your login details ready, as this is essential to managing your ad campaigns. After you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself at the Google Ads homepage. This is the central hub for all your advertising needs. From here, you can see an overview of all your current and past campaigns, making it easy to spot areas that need attention. Navigate to the menu and click on Campaigns. This section provides a detailed list of all your active campaigns, complete with performance metrics such as clicks, impressions, and more. Here, you get a comprehensive view of what's working and what might require a bit more tweaking. Once in the campaign section, look for the settings option and click on it. This is where you can adjust a wide array of campaign settings, but the key focus for us today is on bidding, a critical component that influences whether your ads get impressions. Within the settings, find and click on bidding. This option allows you to manage how much you're willing to pay for someone to click on your ad. The bid you set can significantly impact the visibility of your ads. It's essential to ensure that your bids are competitive enough to compete effectively in the ad auction. Now comes the crucial part, checking your bidding setup. Take a close look at whether your bidding strategy aligns with your campaign goals. If your bids are too low, your ads might not be receiving impressions, which is the core issue we're attempting to resolve today. Adjust your bids if necessary and consider experimenting with different types of bidding strategies to see which ones yield the best results. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to resolving the no impressions issue in Google Ads. Remember, consistency and monitoring are key. Always keep an eye on how your campaigns are performing and be ready to make tweaks as needed. With these adjustments, you're set to maximize your campaign's visibility and achieve your advertising goals.